Check out this bad boy, the 2020 70 plate Ford Transit Custom low roof short wheelbase sport. It's the 185 PS, massive brake horsepower on this one, finished in chrome blue, fully kitted out, colour coded body kit, 18-inch wheels. What this van doesn't have isn't worth mentioning. It's got the leather, it's got cruise control, reversing sensors back and front, you've got your reversing camera, you've got cruise control, DAB radio, satellite navigation, it's ply lined in the rear, it's got shelving and racking for you lads on the go, ready for work. This is a stunning van, a real head turner. The only thing we've done to enhance this is put the Raptor grille in the front. It's available on finance, £315 a month with a VAT deposit. This vehicle can be delivered anywhere in the UK for free. It includes an MOT, service, warranty and breakdown cover. Do not miss out on this opportunity to own such a stunning van. Go on the website at 14950+Vat. If you like it or like any more information, please ask for Nick or Chris. Thanks for watching.